Hello everyone, welcome back in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Devaram, Assistant Professor in Geology, Government Women College, Bikaner. Today in this lecture we will discuss about volcanic landforms, volcanic hazards, volcanic benefits and distribution of volcanoes on the earth. So first of all we discuss about the different volcanic landforms formed by volcanic eruptions. An erupting volcano will produce a number of distinct landforms including volcanic cones, flood basalts, calderas. So first of all, volcanic cones. In this first one is sealed cone, in which there are multiple layers of basaltic lavas having shallow sides due to magma's low viscosity and gentle eruptions. So this is known as sealed volcanoes. So these are the gentle slopes and these are non-violent and formed from fluid of thin lava and only found over a hot spots, and these are of Hawaiian Islands are of sealed volcano types. Second one is cinder cone. These are smallest volcanic cone. Layered ash and cinders, for example Paricutin. And third one is composite or STRATO volcano. In this, layered ash, lava and mud are found. Intermediate to felsic lava having this composition. Steep sides, the sides are very steep due to lava's high viscosity. Very steep sides. Next, strata or composite volcanoes. These are steep slopes and these are the explosive, formed from viscous or thick lavas. Cascades and Mount St. Helens are the example of composite volcanoes. Second one is the landform formed by volcano is flood basalts. This is the large outpouring of basaltic lava, multiple and quick eruptions, and this form a lava plateau like the Deccan Traps in India. They form a huge plateau. Next is caldera. This is a large depression more than 1 kilometer from violent eruptions. So this is a large depression formed by a very violent eruptions. Ugashik Caldera AK is an example of this caldera. Crater lakes are also formed by this type of calderas. Lunar crater in India is one of the famous example of this calderas. Now, what are the volcanic hazards? Layers, hot mud flows. Volcano erupts, hot debris rises and gravity take over. Tsunamis are generated, waves generated by volcanic explosion, Japanese for harbor waves. Tsunamis are extremely hazardous, travel a vast distance, strike with short notice. Krakatoa in 1883, over 36,000 people have been died in these circumstances of tsunamis. Lava flows, least dangerous. Lava flows slowly, less than 10 mph, and these are dangerous to property. Now, predicting eruption. क्या eruption की भविष्यवाणी की जा सकती है? Harmonic tremor, small earthquake from moving magma, last 4 hours. Increased gas emissions in which CO2, SO2, H2S, large tract of healthy forest dies off. Change in the mountain shape, pressure from magma deforms the mountain and detected by tiltmeters. So these conditions may predict the eruptions. Now the most important thing is the benefits of volcano. The benefits of volcano to the soils. It increases the fertility of the soils because it mixes with the soil and add some important constituent of it to the soil, and soil become the fertile. The minerals like calcium, magnesium, phosphate, iron and others are added to the soil and it become more fertile. Energy from heat. Many rocks are formed, especially pumice, and many gases can be trapped for industries. These are the benefits of the volcano. Now, volcano distribution. So generally, the volcano occurs on this Pacific Ocean, and this is called the ring of fire. On the plate boundaries, the volcanoes are mostly occurs. So there are all the plate boundaries are fascinated with volcanoes. Most volcano occurs in one of the three areas. This is the Circum-Pacific belt, that is called as the ring of fire, and 60% of volcanoes are occurs in this ring of fire. This is the ring of fire. So more than 60% is volcanoes are occurs. 20% in the Mediterranean Sea, and 10 to 15% is in the different spreading areas. This is the distribution of volcanoes on the earth. Thank you very much for watching these videos.